LBSi's AMMP AR Collection Console gives the user the ability to view AR invoices that are currently in your system. You have the option to view invoices for specific customers, as well as view the invoices for a specific salesperson within your company. It will also display the due date of each invoice, as well as the amount that's due. To access the AMMP AR Collection Console, navigate to Sales, AMMP AR Collection Console. Let's begin by going over the fields in the header portion of the screen. The first header field is the customer field. You can select a specific customer in this field to display the results only for that customer. Below that, in the salesperson field, you can select from the drop-down a specific salesperson to view all the results for. The project field will allow you to narrow the results down to all the documents that are attached to that particular project. Moving on to the document field, you can select from the drop-down either AR, Open Order to Approve, AR Customer Invoices over 90 days, AR Open Short Paid Invoices, as well as Credit Memos Issued. Each one of these selections will change which documents appear on the screen, according to what is selected. The Due Through field gives you the ability to enter in the latest due date that you want to view the results for. Next, in the Activity Due Through field, you can enter in a date that will correspond to the latest activity date from the current documents displayed. The Sort By field will give you the ability to sort the data by due date, next activity, salesperson/due date, customer/due date, and business partner balance. Finally, in the OR Terms field, you can select which payment terms you want to filter the results by. Don't forget to click the refresh button at the bottom so the filters can take effect. Now let's take a look at all the column level fields on the AMMP AR Collection Console. The first column on the screen is the Document Type column, and it will display the document type of the sales document from the corresponding row. The Document Number column will display the document number, and you can drill down to the specific document by clicking on the golden arrow next to the number. Next, in the BP Code column will be the business partner code of the business partner from the sales document. The name of the business partner will appear in the BP Name column. Following that is the Order Terms column. It will display the payment terms from the corresponding document. After that, in the Doc Date column will be the document date from the AR document. The Document Status column will display the status of the related document. Next, in the Amount Due column will be the amount from the Balance Due field on the corresponding document. Following that, in the Due Date column will be the due date that is on the document. Furthermore, the Next Activity Date column will display the date of the next activity that is linked to the corresponding sales document. The activity number of the next activity that is linked to the sales document will appear in the Next Activity Number column, and you can drill down to the activity document by clicking on the golden arrow next to the number. Moving on to the Salesperson column, you can view the salesperson from the corresponding document. The BP Balance column will display the balance of the business partner that is linked to the sales document. Finally, in the Project column will be the project that is associated with the sales document. LBSi's AMMP AR Collection Console displays relevant information like when balances are due for sales documents, so you can quickly view which customers still owe money on particular orders. Join us in future videos as we break down how LBSi's AMMP module can help you improve your existing SAP Business One planning functionality. Be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. As an SAP Gold partner, LBSi can help you take full advantage of everything the system has to offer. To get in contact with us, visit our website at www.lbsi.com and navigate to the contact link. You can also email us at sales@lbsi.com for sales-related inquiries, or SAP support@lbsi.com if you're an existing client in need of support assistance.